Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did definitely turn down at the 78% pretty nicely, and the fact that been forecasting a flat pattern, which would put us down to either these lows or maybe even all the way down to the 161, 178 if we're looking at it expanding. So because of that, I am looking at this as a possible another lower high, lower high, lower high. And now it might end up going down and making a new lower low because of the fact that the trend is definitely down based on structure. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely leaning towards sorting opportunities. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because these Fib levels are usually areas of resistance. And if it does decide to make like a double bottom at one of these Fib levels and then a break a structure, that would turn me back to becoming bullish, but only if I see this picture right here would I become bullish after the break of structure and after the pullback. Otherwise, it might just bounce, make a lower high, bounce, make a lower high, and just keep on working its way down, which is why we definitely want to trade with the daily time frame momentum, which is looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.